lecture, we are going to see how many percentage of websites that come in 1 to 30th search result contain flash content. The proportion of pages that use flash is significantly lower in first 2 to 3 search result position than compared to 4 to 30th position. This graph represents only the desktop search results. In the mobile search engine result pages, the fraction of flash pages is just 5% compared to 14% average in desktop search results. So you could have observed that the top 3 positions are occupied by the pages which contains significantly lesser flash content. Though Google is not against flash content, it's good to avoid or restrict the usage of flash in your web pages, as the correlation factor is in the negative zone. Since it's -1%, with the increase of flash content, your ranking will get reduced. The logic here is that with the increase in flash usage, your site's file size will increase by a significant amount, which leads to slower page loading time, which in turn affects your page speed as well as Google's search ranking. In the next lecture, let's see another SEO factor, that is URL length, and we will also see how it affects your ranking in Google's search result pages.